Have you ever wondered about the incredible ecosystem that exists inside your own body? A hidden world that affects your health, your mood, and even your appearance? Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of the human microbiome. Alright, let's start with the basics. What is the human microbiome? Well, it's a vast and diverse ecosystem right inside our own bodies. Imagine trillions of tiny microorganisms, like bacteria, fungi, and viruses, living on and in us. Yep, you heard that right. We're more than just human. It's like an entire universe teeming with life, right under our noses. In fact, did you know that we have more microbial cells in our body than human cells? Amazing, isn't it? Our bodies play host to approximately 100 trillion microorganisms. These microscopic organisms are predominantly found in diverse habitats, including our skin, mouth, reproductive organs, and most prominently, our gastrointestinal tract. The microbiome is so abundant that it is said to weigh up to 4 pounds, roughly the weight of an adult brain. So, why do we need this microbiome hanging out with us? They play a crucial role in keeping us healthy and balanced, kind of like our own personal bodyguards. Diving deeper into the intricate web of the human microbiome, we discover its constant state of evolution and synergy. Imagine a bustling, ever-changing city, with each microbe playing its unique role. Just like a symphony, every member contributes to the harmonious functioning of this complex system. From breaking down food to synthesizing essential vitamins, combating harmful pathogens, and even influencing our mood and behavior, the microbiome holds an astonishing repertoire of skills. One of the microbiome's superpowers is aiding digestion. They help break down food, turning it into essential nutrients that our bodies can absorb and use for energy. Without them, we'd struggle to extract the goodness from our meals. But wait, there's more. Our microbiome also plays a crucial role in regulating our immune system. It communicates with our body, making sure it knows how to differentiate between friend and foe. Without this constant conversation, our immune system could get confused and start attacking harmless substances, leading to allergies and autoimmune diseases. But it doesn't stop there. Recent research shows that our microbiome is even involved in influencing our mood, mental health, and overall well-being. It's like having an emotional support system right inside us. Scientists suspect that our gut microbes can produce neurotransmitters and communicate directly with our brain. Now that we understand the crucial role of the human microbiome, you may be curious about how we can cultivate a thriving one. Well, it's all about balance. Just like in any good relationship, diverse and supportive friendships are key. We need to nourish our microbiome with a range of dietary fibers, found in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. On the other hand, unhealthy lifestyle choices, like a diet high in processed foods and low in fiber, can disrupt our microbiome balance. But let's not forget the importance of avoiding unnecessary antibiotics, which can disrupt the delicate balance of our microbiome. The human microbiome is like a bustling little universe within us, filled with tiny superheroes, tirelessly protecting and nourishing us. It's a beautiful, symbiotic relationship that reminds us just how amazing and interconnected our bodies truly are. I hope you found this journey into the human microbiome as fascinating as I did. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our amazing community of curious minds. And remember, take care of your microbiome, because it's taking care of you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay curious.